Welcome to my channel, folks. I really appreciate you stopping by. Grow on.
Hey, good morning, everybody. Beautiful out. I'm over here near the White Tank, Surprise, Arizona, White Tank Mountains. It's a beautiful day, 55 degrees. It's going to be 85 today. It was only like 74 yesterday. Let's go look at this tomato plant that I have over here. It's a volunteer. It's been out there for like 3 months. All right, here you have it. Cherry tomato plant. Unbelievable. You know, I was wondering when they were in there. That's a nice little. Yeah, they're starting to ripen up. There's hundreds of them in there. This is probably from here down to here is probably, hell, that's 12 feet by 5 feet. Hey, look at that nice little weed. Huh. All right, I'm going inside of the 3x3. See you in there. All right, I'm inside here. Let's take a look around the corner here. This is on day 2. What is it? Day 2 of week 3. Pretty sure. Anyhow, let me look. Yeah, I was right. It was day 2 of week 3. From the time they got their first set of the second leaves past the cotyledons. It's got a little bit of droop in it today. I don't know if it needs water. I gave it a tiny bit. I don't know. Anyhow, there you go. These are all crazy girls, or crazy black girls on this side, and crazy girls here, Pheno 1 and Pheno 2. Looking pretty good. I have a 70-30 soil mix of Fox Farms and Perlite, Happy Frog, and they're in 4-gallon pots, or 3-gallon pots. Why the hell do I probably in some of my videos have said 4-gallon pots, 3 of them. 3-gallon pots, 4 3-gallon pots. All right. Let's see how this works out here. That right there is that's a Winter 14,000 dual hose AC. If you don't know what a dual hose is, I'll show you. It's a mess over here. Dual hose means it has an intake hose and an exhaust hose. I have a single hose, which doesn't work out here when it's above 90. Actually, the ambient temperature range at which this particular one works at is about 90 degrees. So, yeah, and I've turned the heater off. The humidifier, it's hard to get the humidity up. I think it's probably about, it's only 10 to 12% humidity out. It's real dry out here. So that's cranking all the time. And so I try to keep it around, I try to get it near 60% or 50%. And the temperatures range, the AC does come on. And it has been coming on. I've got it set to come on like it, I'm not sure what it is, but I keep the temperature around 75, between 75 and 78 degrees. It's all by, just those probes right over in the corner right there. I've got them as close to, yeah, there they are. And then I have this hanging from a crazy black girl, grow number 10 that broke. I know I've said this many times. Came out one morning, and that right there was like a celery stalk. That's the only thing I can compare it to. It's just 2 or 3 threads. It came back and produced some good herb. But that little probe right there measures temperature, humidity, vapor pressure deficit, which is harder than hell to keep up. Most of the times I have to either raise the humidity, lower the temperature, boom, boom, vice versa, and so forth. But I've got it down around 1.2. I'm not sure if that's ideal, but they seem to be doing okay. I'm a little concerned with the droop on that, but I might be just being overly concerned here. All right, guys, have a great day. Or grows here. Grow on. Stay elevated. Stay lifted. Stay stoned to the bone. Later.